This is the StairMaster, one of my favorite machines. It's great for the glutes, cardio. Let me show you how it's done. So Jackie is actually walking up the stairs. This is a rotating stair movement. Okay, you're just gonna walk it. When you first start, you wanna start slow. And then as you start going, you don't wanna hold on to the handles. The best thing to do is start slow, engage your core, stand up straight, and then you're just going to pump your arms, just like Jackie's showing you. And as you gain momentum and more core strength, and you can do this a little faster, you're gonna push it up a little faster, Jackie. There we go, she's gonna show you how it's done. You're really gonna engage that core as you walk up the stairs. This is what's gonna get the heart rate going. Woohoo! Go, Jackie, go. Okay, since we're going forward, we're gonna show you skip a step. Here's skip a step. Boom. Skip a step, step. Good, you're gonna push to the heel, and you can actually kick your leg back, one of your glutes, kick it back, leg lift up, leg lift up. Good, and the whole time she's engaging her core. And on this, you may need to hold on to help stabilize onto the handles, that's what they're for, but try not to rely on it if you can't, okay? So just keep going. Awesome, Jackie. We're gonna slow it down. The next one we're gonna show you is side to side. So we're gonna go down, there you go, skip a step, and the top foot will overlap on the step, and the other one you can kick it out. You don't have to kick it out. This is Jackie's just showing off right now, but she's actually just, there you go. You're just gonna keep crossing it over. Again, you can hold on, but always think about not relying on holding on if you can. The slower you go to gain control and strength is probably the better way to go, okay? Don't be the person that hangs on to the machine. We see those people, show them what not to do. Don't do this. That is not engaging your core. You're not maximizing your workout. There you go. Yes, this is what you do. Hands in the air. Okay, we're gonna show you around the world. This is a little trickier. This is for the more advanced. So she's going forward. That's one side. Show the other. Perfect. She goes sideways. Now we're gonna go backwards. You're gonna get with your heel. I know it takes a second to get in. And you might need to go a little faster on some of these too. You'll be able to gauge. And then you go to the side, and then you go to the front. And that's around the world. That way you're able to target your glutes, your hamstrings, your quads, your core, your hip flexors, the calves. We're talking all lower body and core. From here down, you're utilizing it, and you're working the most important muscle, the heart.